Thanks for coming in, Maya. Before we talk numbers, let me tell you a quick story. Imagine you run a little coffee cart. In January, you plan for 1,000 cups sold. You build a budget around that. Beans, milk, cups, part-time help, and your expected profit. That plan is your static budget. It's like a photo. Useful, clear, and fixed at the level you originally assumed. Now February arrives and a festival pops up nearby. Instead of 1,000 cups, you sell 1,400. Your costs rise, but not all in the same way. Beans and cups rise with each cup you sell. Those are variable costs. But your cart permit and your monthly insurance stay the same. Those are fixed costs. If we compare February's actual results to the January static budget, it looks like you overspent. But you didn't overspend. You simply served more customers. So here's the flexible budget. It's the same recipe, adjusted to the actual volume. For 1,400 cups, it recalculates the variable costs and expected revenue, while leaving fixed costs unchanged. Then we compare your real February numbers to that flexible budget to see what truly changed: price, efficiency, waste, or maybe overtime. Static budgets are great for setting targets. Flexible budgets are better for judging performance when life and sales don't follow the script.